morning. We're here in Capitol Reef State Park. We're at the Hickman Bridge Rim Overlook trailhead. We're going to head up to the Navajo Knobs today. Should be a good view from there. It's a nice day, so let's go see what we find. So Rim Overlook Navajo Knobs Trail. It's Saturday, October 21st. It's about 9:15 in the morning. Well, shortly after you leave the trailhead, you do some climbing. There's a series of switchbacks and some steps. And now we're coming up to the junction that we're going to take towards the Navajo Knobs. If you go straight ahead to the left, you go to the Hickman Bridge. Well, the trail's been great so far. Nice scenery, nice single track trail, rocky. We're going to climb up to the rim. Hopefully there'll be a good view from up there. This is looking backwards. So here's the Hickman Bridge overlook. Let's go have a look. So here's the view from the Hickman Bridge overlook. This is looking to the east. Here's the south. Interesting looking canyon ahead of us. Don't believe we're going there though. Some of these open rock spots, you gotta follow the little cairns along the way. Pretty well marked though. This is overlooking the campground area. Not many trees here so far. A few right in this area. Well, this is looking behind us, down towards the river where we started. The trees are yellow with the season. We're headed up this way. Been a steady climb. Quite scenic though, I have to say. Well, there's the view behind us. We've come up to the rim overlook. Off to our left here, we're going to go take a look in a second. Navajo Knobs, another 2.2 straight ahead. Let's go look at the overlook. Yeehaw! Down to the orchards down there. And the visitor center over that way. And that's the campground over there, and I don't know where, that's the scenic road, that scenic loop, isn't it? Or not the, is it a loop?
No, it's not a loop. Scenic drive.
So pretty cool view. Pretty steep cliff here. It goes right down, probably, I don't know how far it is. Pretty cool view. That's a look back on the little overlook we were just at. We're heading this way. Another cliff edge here. Can't go too far without a cliff around these parts. Pretty cool. Navajo Knobs must be up that way somewhere. Just another one of the many cliffs you come across out here. That's a look back at the ridge we were on. Here's the way we're going. Still climbing. Well, I believe that's our destination, the top of that knob up there. We shall see. Well, here we are at the top of Navajo Knobs. Pretty nice view. That's back the way we came. That's back towards the visitor center. This is looking off the back side of it. There's the road coming into the park. Here comes Julie coming down the mountain. So that was fun on Navajo Knobs. Pretty good view up there. We're working our way back down the mountain. That's a pretty fun little hike. It's an easy trail for the most part. It's a nice solid footing, you know, it's rock for the most part. So it's nice firm footing, which is nice instead of sand. This is about as tough as this trail gets right here, except for the very top by the actual Navajo Knobs. Otherwise, it's pretty smooth sailing. Just another one of the scenic little draws here. Old Canyon. Okay, here we're back to the rim overlook, which is a nice overlook too. That's looking back at the wall we just came along. And this is the way we're going. Some of these walls up here are pretty impressive. That's the land bridge, although you wouldn't really know it from looking at it. If you look below and you see where those pine trees are, you can see the bridges above that. Well, we should be on our last little segment or two here before we get back to the trailhead. Here's Capitol's pyramid, whatever that means. Okay, we're just about back to the trailhead. I'm going to do my final video with this nice color behind me. The hike ended up being right at about 10 miles with 2,557 feet of elevation gain up to the knobs. So that's it for the Navajo Knobs video from Capitol Reef National Park. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you watching, and as always, happy hiking.